Greetings, everyone. Mr. Wiseman speaking. Now, today we're going to attempt this is June 2025 paper, question one. Okay. Now, as we are approaching our exam week, it's very important to have all of the knowledge that is required so that you can go and shock your paper. Okay. Now, let's attempt this paper together, all of us. When we have a question like this, okay, when you have a question like this, question one is always solve for x. Now, when we have solving for x, if they give it into a standard form, okay, I'll show you how to do. You find it in the calculator. But if they give you in this form here in brackets form, that's the easiest thing you can do. All you have to do, you have to say x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, then you transpose the 3, which you get an answer of -3. The other one is 2x. Okay, it's 2. Okay, let's take out the eraser. Okay, so it's 2 minus 5x. Okay, 2 minus 5x equals to 0. Then you transpose the 2, you're gonna get -2. So therefore the value of x equals to 2 over 5, because remember this is multiplication happening. Okay, this is 1.1.1. Now when you're dealing with 1.1.2, okay, 1.1.2. Now with 1.1.2, once you just see correct to 2 decimal places, just know it's your quadratic formula. What do I mean by my quadratic formula? This formula here will be given in the data sheet, okay, behind your paper. So your quadratic formula is negative, open bracket, b, close bracket, plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, okay, all over 2a. Then once you do that, you identify the number that is in front of in front of x squared, that's your a, the number that is in front of your x, that's your b, and then the number that is a constant, okay, therefore that will be your c. Okay, your c, it will be your C. Now, once you have identified that, make sure that you sub it into the equation, because when you do that, then that's where you're going to score your marks. But if you do not do that, then just know that you are missing out with 1 mark. Okay, you're missing out your 1 mark, and that's very wrong, because you're robbing yourself of nice precious marks. Okay, -4. What's our a? Our a, we said it's 7. Then our c, we said it's -8. Okay, -8 all over 2a, which is 2 of 7. Now remember, in this one here, we're gonna get 2 x values. Okay, we're going to get 2 x values. So this is the time where you open up your calculator. When you open up your calculator, okay, when you open up your calculator, let's push it here. Then you're gonna press mode. Okay, mode. You look for EQN, which is number 5. Once you do that, you see you look for the same exponent coordinate that you had on the question. You must look for it here. Okay. Now for us, we can see we had an x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. We put a 3. Then our a, we said it's 7. Our b, we said it's 5. And then our c, we said it's -8. Press equal to. Then once you get that, you press SD. Okay. Now once you press SD, remember they say correct 2 decimal place. So look at the third number here. If the third number, okay, is greater than 5, then this goes up. But if it's lower than 5, then this stays the same. Since 9 is greater than 5, therefore we're going to have something like 0.77. Okay. Now, after we're done with that, we press equal to the second one. We can see here we have -1,484. Since 4 is less than 5, then therefore this stays the same as just 48. The second one is x equals to 4 a negative 1.48. Okay. Now that for 1.1, 1.2. Now when we're dealing with 1.1.3, okay, when dealing with 1.1.3, remember when you see something like this, okay, when you see something like this, all they're trying to do is trying to confuse you. All they're trying to do, they're trying to confuse you. What you must be worried about, okay, just focus on everything that is on the bottom. Okay, when we do that, we have something x squared minus 2x, okay, minus 2x minus 8 must be greater than 0. Okay, now when we do that, the first thing we need from this is our critical values. Okay, is our critical values. How are we going to find our critical values? Again, with the same story with our calculator, where we have a, b, and c. Okay, our a now here it is 1, our b it's negative 2, then our c it's negative 8. Okay, we press equal to. Now remember, this is giving us the final answer. We have to work one step backwards. Okay, so that was x minus 4, because remember it gave us an answer of 4. So therefore our first value is 4. Okay, our first x value is 4. Once we're done with that, okay, now let's press again equal to. So you can see that is negative 2. Now, since this is negative 2, we have to work one step backwards, which now will be x plus 2. Okay, x plus 2. And then therefore, x equals to negative 2. Now, so you call this your critical values. Okay, once you have this, okay, now this is another step of finding this. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to press mode again, then you press going down, you look for ENEQ. These are, it's called inequalities. Okay, then you press number 1 again. We're dealing with x squared, so you press number 1. Now once you have it like this, okay, now you look for which sign, inequality sign you're dealing with, because remember we have the one that says greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Since we're dealing with just greater than, we press number 1. Okay, once we're done with number 1, our a is 1, our b is negative 2, then our c is negative 8. Okay, once we're done with that, whatever answer they give you, okay, that's all you have to do. So you're going to say x must be less than minus 2. Or the other one, it's saying what? 4. Okay, there's nothing for you to worry about. Whatever they give you, just write it down like that, and that one, they will secure you your full 4 marks. Thank you. We'll see you